Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Check the Vesania Core version and its checksum so you avoid corrupted installs. Once done, back up current configuration files and stop any services that might lock resources. Make sure your system meets the minimum hardware and Python 3.10 requirement. This prevents runtime errors later. Then download the official package to a secure folder and open an elevated terminal. These first actions set a clean, repeatable baseline for the activation process. You now unpack the package and run the installer with administrative rights. This ensures proper file permissions. Next, export necessary environment variables and append the core bin to your path so commands execute globally. Once the installer finishes, run the database migration and seed commands to create required schemas and initial keys. This is why activation sometimes fails if skipped. Make sure to monitor the installer output for warnings and pause to resolve any missing dependency messages. You finish by starting Vesania Core services and enabling them to auto-start on boot. Then run health checks and validate endpoints and API tokens to confirm the system is responsive. This verifies both connectivity and credentials. Monitor logs in real time for errors and load metrics to confirm stability. If something goes wrong, stop services immediately, inspect the recent logs for stack traces, rerun migrations if schema issues appear, or restore your backup and repeat the activation after fixing the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.